go.
Maybe a little.
Nice.
See what I mean? These things actually.
This is awesome.
Not too bad, huh?
It feels really solid. I like it. Very nice. I mean, used to drift in a 77 Chevy 3/4 ton, you know, with 40-inch tires on it, around a field. They're all dirt, and this feels really good. Really good.
Huh?
You're gonna make a believer out of me, let me tell you.
Isn't that amazing?
That's awesome. That's awesome.
For a Raptor, for a big old truck.
This is great.
Mustang guys can't do this shit, huh?
Can we jump over it?
Oh yeah. Ready?
Yeah. This is gonna be great.
Ready?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep. Woohoo! Great.
Jump again.
Yeah.
Here's where the Mustangs fail.
Woohoo!
They might be able to drift a little better. I'm gonna say a little because.
Well, they can't do that.
No.
That about makes up for anything they can drift.
Right here, huh?
Yep.
Oh, that was lame, dude. You can't get away with that.
You gotta do one more time. Fucking stand on it. You had all that ramp. You'd be all right.
It's not that. It's like the lift is wrong. If you hit it a
Oh,
little
really?
bit faster, yeah, it lifts wrong. Here we go. There we go. You gotta have
nice.
just a little bit of gas right at the bottom of it to do it right.
Get yourself.
Yeah.
Get the truck actually
Right.
pointed in the right way. There we go. Nice. Nice.
Oh, she died on me.
Yeah.
Right?
A little bit more wheel speed, be good. All right. Nice.
Woo! Oh, you feel that?
Yeah. Beautiful. You know, if you boys had a little bit more room,
It can get dangerous.
you
huh?
could get dangerous. Nice, nice. There we go. Nice. This thing is amazing. Stays
crazy,
level, stays level.
It's reliable.
Yeah.
It's consistent.
I mean, you can get crazy with it, freak it out. It doesn't freak out on you.
That's cool, huh?
That's awesome. There's a lot of trucks you start doing this shit with, they freak out. They don't know what to do.
Well, I got all
You
the
damn near
traction.
got to restart it.
I got all the traction control and everything turned off.
Yeah. But still, with just that,
Woohoo! That was
nice. That was a good one. Suspension in this thing is awesome.
crazy, huh?
Well, because it'll land like that, and that ramp's pretty level, but still, it doesn't have the roll. Beautiful. Thank you very much, sir.